Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do white sauce pasta. For the recipe I am going to use wheat pasta. Our first step is to cook the pasta. Take 3 cups of water. Bring this to a boil, and once it starts boiling, add the required amount of salt and a teaspoon of olive oil. If you add a little oil while cooking pasta, it won't stick to each other. Now let us add a cup of pasta. Cook this until the pasta turns soft. You can see that the pasta is soft now. At this stage, you can stop cooking and strain the water. Collect the pasta and set it aside. Now let us move on and start doing the sauce. For the sauce, we need 1 teaspoon of olive oil. To this, add a tablespoon of butter. To this, let us add 3 chopped garlic cloves and a quarter cup of chopped onions. Saute them for about a minute or two. Don't overcook the onions. Once it is slightly translucent, you can add the other vegetables. I am going to add 1 small carrot, few florets of broccoli, a handful of green peas and a handful of sweet corn. Saute all the vegetables for another 2 or 3 minutes. To this, add the required amount of salt. 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of chili flakes and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. We are going to saute the vegetables until it is half cooked. Once the vegetables are done, we are going to add the wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. If you add the wheat flour along with the veggies, it will be easy for you to avoid lumps after adding milk. Saute the wheat flour well and add a cup of milk. Stir this until it turns creamy. Once this turns creamy, add another cup of milk. This way you can avoid lumps and you will be getting a nice creamy texture. Give a nice mix and add the cooked pasta. Mix everything well and let us cook this for another 2 or 3 minutes. Finally, let us add some mozzarella cheese. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of cheese, but if you want, you can add more. Allow it to melt and you can switch off the flame. Our white sauce pasta is ready. Serve this immediately. It will taste so good when it is hot. Adding more and more cheese will make the recipe rich and creamy, so you can add how much ever you want. Before winding up, let us see the ingredients once again. 1 cup of pasta, 1 small carrot, quarter broccoli, quarter cup of green peas, quarter cup of sweet corn, 2 or 3 garlic cloves, quarter cup of chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese, 2 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of butter, oil, salt, water as required. The white sauce pasta is ready. Hope you liked the recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.